TENK stock, is it the right time to buy? Okay, I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And looking at TENK acquisition, yeah, sure thing is that this thing is going up and I'll just like to double down, but sometimes there is challenges on the road. It says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met, and that could not be further from the truth. Sometimes it's just all about waiting. So if the price ever manages to pull back down in my demand area and give me this double break, only then we're speaking. And if the price doesn't give me that, then you bet that I'm not going to try and take it higher. You know, it's like really that simple. So I'm waiting, bro. Like, I'm waiting. I genuinely think that this is not going to be a thing that will give me the rules, and that, guess what, that's also okay. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free though, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And instead of just maybe losing hope, I'll just wait, and maybe I'm going to be proven wrong. See you in the next one.